want you to tell me everything. Everything.
It's a big building. Nice people work there. The morgue is in the basement. 2 floors down in the elevator. And they're taking good care of you, Bea. She looks peaceful. I can see that she looks like you.
Did you tell her? Did you tell her?
Yeah. Your mum loves you to the moon and back.
She wouldn't want to wear a dress. Good jeans and that green top that she loved, you know, the one with the straps.
Yeah.
It has to be nice for her, Harry.
It will be.
I want you to put this with her. I'll give it to the guard. He can give it to you.
You done?
How could you not know she was on heroin?
Oh, for God's
No,
sake.
you were supposed to look after her. I told you not to leave her, and you did. I told you that you shouldn't let her smoke dope, and you did. Well, you didn't think that our daughter was using drugs. You should have stuck around and looked after her, huh?
I found her. I came home and I was there for an hour before I even knew. And she was lying there while I was making dinner.
Did you talk to the school? Do they know who was giving it to her?
I don't know. They said she was skipping school.
And they didn't talk to you?
Debbie was making up notes from me. And then I find out that she was lying about staying at Matilla's. She was staying at some boyfriend's place.
She had a boyfriend.
Matilla came round with all this stuff. She told me.
What was his name?
Braden. Yeah, Braden.
I expect special treatment.
I'm not.
Get out of the way.
They're not much, but they're new. They came in today. I like that guy.
Thanks.
Oh, Pete. Come on. Come on, we'll get you home, eh?
Yeah, everyone's been by, but I told them to come back later so they didn't overload you. Thanks.
You allowed to go to Debbie's funeral?
Oh, that's shit.
Oh, my favourites. How'd you guess?
My condolences. Make sure Bea gets this.
Well, I'm surprised you're even asking. But you know she's high risk because she's on remand. She's an unknown.
The women look up to her. Look, we need to give them something positive.
She smuggled drugs, been involved in attacks and reprisals. There's no two-way street there. Erica, it really concerns me you can't see that.
The screws are here. Are you ready? Thank you so much for making this happen. It's all right. You all right?
I've already given my approval.
You know you don't have authority to do that.
You're going to undermine my position.
As you've undermined mine, yes.
Hey, if you want to talk or anything.
Or if you just want us to leave you alone.
Actually, I think I'll just go to bed.
Yeah, well, yell out if you need anything, won't you? Night-night.
No.
They say home is where your heart is set in stone. Is where you go when you're alone. Is where you go to rest your bones. And it's not just where you lay your head. It's not just where you make your bed. As long as we're together, does it matter where we go?
Oh my God, help me! Braden, someone, help! It's Bea. Oh, no! Get her out! It's all Frankie. Get her out! Lift her out! You got her? Have you got her? You're okay. You're okay, darling. Lift her up. That's it. Lift it up. I've got her. Gentle. Gentle. It's all right. I've got it. It's all right. It's all right.
Just get her head. Get it off.
Yep. It's okay. It's okay.
You're all right.
It's all right. It's all right.
You're good.
It's all right.
Okay. Oh, that's a stupid question. You've just tried to top yourself.
You think this is a joke? Or you think I'd try to kill myself if I didn't want to die?
Huh?
Why are you even trying to stop me? I mean, why? So I can live through this hell every day?
Bea, I didn't have a choice. You're my friend.
You had a choice. You had a choice. You just didn't want to feel guilty. You're a bloody coward.
Yeah, well, maybe I am, but trying to top yourself doesn't make you a hero.
What would you know about it?
I've thought about topping myself a few times.
Why didn't you?
Because I'm a coward. I don't know, I suppose I was hoping that with time it would get easier. You know, that pain would get less. Not to forget, just to, I don't know, just to find some joy in life again. And I have.
I don't want that.
What do you reckon Debbie would want for you? It is always going to hurt, Bea. And mate, that's a good thing, because that's how you know you're still connected to them. And you always will be. Oh, that's beautiful, Dor. It's lovely. Yeah.
Thanks.
You ready?
Thanks for coming, everyone. Today is for Bea, to help her say goodbye to her daughter, Debbie. You know, being in here, you get close to the other women. They're more than friends, they're your family. But we never forget the people on the outside that we love. And for Bea, that was Debbie. From the moment Bea came in here, we could all tell she was a proud mum and how much she loved her kid. They were best friends. They talk about everything.
It's all right. It's all right. Bea, Debbie knew you loved her. She knew you did your very best for her. And you have got 16 years of memories to treasure. So you're never going to forget her. And we won't let you.
And we're moving slow. Our hearts beat so fast. I've been dreaming about you, about us. Hey, hey, my head is a jungle, jungle. My head is a jungle, jungle. My head is a jungle, jungle. My
I just wish you'd told me what was going on.
I wish you'd just talk to me. I should have asked more questions.
Yeah, but teenagers keep secrets.
She had a boyfriend. I just keep wondering if he was the one that got her into the drugs.
You're never gonna know what she was up to. Kids are into all sorts of stuff now.
Yeah, but heroin? Harry had no idea. He'd never even heard of this Braden kid. What?
Jacs' son. His name's Braden.
Yeah, well, that could be a coincidence.
You reckon?
Get off me! I didn't do it! All right, let's take this outside. Bea. What are you doing? Now! Come on. Look, I know things are difficult at the moment, but you don't just go around attacking other women.
I didn't. Oh, I didn't.
Okay, all right. Okay, whatever happened, if it happens again, you're both in the slot.
Tier 1 calling Tier 3, over.
No, Tom. You did this. You do not know this. You do not know that for sure. And you have to find out the truth, and there is only one way to do it. You know that.
Mr. Jackson, I need to speak to the governor now.
Yeah?
Bea Smith, Governor.
Bea.
Jacs killed Debbie. It was Jacs. It had to be. We need to talk to the police.
Okay, calm down. I don't understand.
Jacs' son, Braden. Debbie was seeing him. It wasn't an accident. Jacs is responsible for this.
Right. Can you just take a seat? We'll be fine. Thank you, Mr. Jackson.
Debbie was going to nightclubs. She was taking drugs. It wasn't like her. She started seeing this kid, Braden. Jacs had Debbie killed. We have to talk to the police.
Why do you think it was Jacs?
She knew where we lived. She'd threatened Debbie before. She told me she'd have a rundown outside of school. She knew Debbie's routine. Now I know how. It was Braden.
And why would she hurt Debbie?
She thinks I'm a threat. Will you talk to the police?
Look, I understand that you want answers.
Are you going to talk to the police or should I?
I will speak to them.
Thank you.
I should put you into protection.
Why?
Just you here talking to me, it puts you at risk.
No, I'm fine.
And what about when you run into Jacs? How will you deal with that?
I just want to do this right.
We're looking for it.
You should have stopped her going near the governor.
We don't know that that's where she's gone.
You were there.
No, Bea'd know better than to lag.
She wouldn't do it.
Yeah, Boom was right.
The governor's going to talk to the police.
And she? You know what they do to laggers, Red?
You don't have a say in this.
The only way this works is if you follow my lead.
This isn't about you.
Yeah, you're right. This could hurt all of us. So you want to deal with Jacs? You deal with her.
The police will handle it.
This is an extraordinary situation.
A mother has lost a child. I'd call that tragic.
You're up? You're not hungry?
My son wanted me to pass on his condolences.
Now's a chance. Let it go.
How's your arthritis? Can't be easy with that cast on. Here. See? I know how you like it.
I don't feel like one today.
Well, let me help you with this tray then.
Grief can make you see a lot of things that aren't there, Bea.
Oh, I can see perfectly what's going on. Just like everybody else here.
Bea, what were you thinking provoking Jacs like that?
What was I thinking?
Yeah, because it was bloody
I
stupid.
was thinking about my little girl. Did she suffer? Was she scared? Did she know what was happening to her? I was thinking, where was I when she needed me? That's what I was thinking. Just don't give me any shit today. Okay.
Bea,
Get out. Now's not a good time.
you lagged.
I said get the fuck out.
Bea.
But I understand as a mother driven by grief, you're not thinking right.
Oh, you're gonna pay for what you've done.
And as a mother, you'll understand me wanting to defend my boy for being accused of something he didn't do.
You threatened my daughter and then she dies and you're telling me it's a coincidence?
You just say these things to keep the women in line. Look, whatever it is, my boy didn't do this.
You're a liar.
Braden had girlfriends before, but he never spoke of any of them like he did your girl.
So you knew that he was seeing her?
I knew she was different. His face used to light up. He couldn't stop talking about her. Braden loved Debbie. He could never harm her. She was obviously a very special kid. And so's Braden. I mean, as mothers, we fucked up. We just weren't there for them when they needed us. But we must have done something right. Hey, it's understandable you need someone to blame, but you're looking in the wrong place. My boy didn't do this. He couldn't.
Get out. Go on, get out.
Look, I'm sorry, Bea, but police have found that there's no grounds for an investigation.
Did you tell them what I said?
Yes. Yes, of course I
Maybe you
did.
didn't explain it properly. I should talk to them, I think.
Harry gave them Debbie's phone. On it, there are a lot of text messages to a girl called Matilda.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, they were about Braden, and they were about how they were using drugs.
So there's the proof.
Well, she talked about how much she liked it. They'd experimented for a while.
Yeah, smoking dope, not heroin.
Police found evidence in her bedside drawer. She'd been smoking heroin as well. There was also bruising on her arm. I'm sorry. It wasn't the first time she tried it.
What about Jacs? What about the threats?
Well, I've got no proof to give them.
She's in here for murder.
And you're charged with attempted murder. If the police could find information on Jacs and the Holt family and they could prosecute, they would.
Yeah, Braden is her son.
Braden and Debbie both visited their mothers in the same prison. Chances are their paths would cross.
It's too much of a coincidence.
It's circumstantial. As far as the police are concerned, Debbie was a 16-year-old experimenting with drugs, and it just went terribly wrong.
I know in my gut that's not what happened.
Well, I'm sorry. You're wrong.
You okay?
Still here?
there's anything else you need, just ask.
Don't start.
Governor told you cops won't do
It
anything.
was an accident.
That's what they say.
It was.
Yeah, so you're a career and your daughter's a junkie. Of course I don't
My
give
daughter
a shit.
is not a junkie.
Which is why you know it wasn't an accident.
Stop messing with my head.
Stop ignoring it.
You know what? I thought that my daughter was killed because of me. See, this place, it puts things in your mind. It twists them around you, going crazy, and you don't know what to believe.
You know what the truth is.
Yeah, I do. And that's what makes me different from you. So you're all lying about something. You think that's the only way you can survive in here, but I'm not like that. I'm not going to leave this place any more screwed up than what I came in.
I need proof that Jacs has a vendetta against Bea.
Now you want to talk to me?
When you want to help Bea, please, this is your chance.
Why am I here?
You're here because I want to make this prison a better place for the women.
No. Why am I really here?
If you don't want to help me, then just leave.
You don't care about the women.
Oh, here we go.
It's all bullshit. You're hiding in here with us. You get off on being here.
Get out.
And the thing that scares you the most is that when you're fucking him, you're thinking of me.
Get out.
Huh?
The funeral people called. They want to know what we want to do with her. The ashes.
Just bring her home. Keep her safe. You know, I never should have done what I did to you, but I never should have let things go on for as long as they did either. Did you ever think about how it affected Deb?
I never touched her.
Yeah, but she knew what was going on. And she blamed herself for everything that happened between you and me.
That's ridiculous.
You know, she thought that I stayed with you because of her.
So staying with me was the problem. You're blaming me.
No. That would be too easy and unfair on her. No, this was my fault. And I'm going to do what I should have done in the first place. I'm going to plead guilty. I'm going to tell them about what really happened, about what you did to me.
You can't.
Yeah, I can.
We agreed. We promised Deb.
You can't keep using Deb like that anymore.
If this gets out, they will do me for lying. Everyone will know.
We stuffed up, Harry. Big time. But not anymore. I'm going to accept responsibility for what I've done.
What'd the governor want?
I reckon she's a little confused about that.
Did she say anything about Bea?
Bea can take care of herself.
I know what you're doing, Frankie.
What's that?
You're pushing Bea at Jacs all the time and you're hoping they're going to cancel each other out.
Oh, you've been here too long.
Yeah, maybe. But Bea is a good person and what you're doing is wrong. And I want you to stop. Someone will get hurt.
You keep sticking your nose in, maybe it'll be you. It's your choice.
Where's she off to? She rounding them up, is she?
So your missus is in a bit of trouble, is she? So are you sick of her shit yet or what? Does that mean you're with me?
Yeah, right.
know you're with me. I want you to let her know what you think, all right? She's got no power on the outside. She's a fucking cripple. She killed your kid. He might not want to believe it, but she did.
Hey.
Yeah, fuck you! Rip your fucking hair out!
I want to know the truth about my daughter.
I knew the first time we met you were a player.
What happened to her?
They say same recognizes same.
No, I'm no murderer.
You tried with your husband.
Yeah, but I didn't go through with it.
A technicality. You just can't accept who you really are. Someone who's capable of taking another life.
It wasn't like that.
I know what it's like. You crossed that line, but you're still in denial. Me, I'm at peace with my actions. So who's the more dangerous?
I couldn't give a fuck. I want you to tell me what you did to my daughter.
Don't you think it's a little late for that?
I know that you're responsible for her death.
I'm sure you wondered how she'd turn out. After all those years of her knowing what you let your husband do to you. Would she let a man do that to her too? Would she just sit back and take it? Debbie made it easy for Braden. She was so desperate for attention that when he gave it to her, she'd let him do anything. Sex, drugs.
I knew it. I knew it.
All the signs were there, but you ignored them. You pushed her away. You convinced yourself that everything was fine. You didn't want to see that Debbie was just like you.
You know nothing.
And I almost felt sorry for her. And then I thought, what's she got to look forward to? A life just like her mother's. It was a kindness, really, putting her out of her misery. She was better off dead.
Attention compound, attention compound. This is a code red. All prisoners return to your cell.
Back it up against the wall, ladies. Let's go!